Andrew Kegel. I'm the CEO of Realbotix. We create the most realistic AI-powered robots, I believe, in the world. This is Aria, our flagship robot.
Hello again. I'm Aria from Realbotix. Ready to explore the world of companion robots with me?
So our robots are a little bit different than other people's robots. Other robots are made to replace physical human labor. Our robots are really there to provide emotional support and interact with you socially. So we always joke that a robot can go with you and be a date to a wedding, but they can also work for you at a conference like this and increase your foot traffic, elevate your brand. As you can see behind you there, as you can probably show over there, there's a zillion people here with their cameras up trying to see what we're doing here. Our robots have a patented skin technology. It's the most realistic synthetic skin in the world, and they're all modular. So we can replace their faces, create a new different character on the robot in under 1 minute. So we have our own LLM AI, and again, it's not based on doing intellectual human tasks. It's really created to form a bond with you, show you compassion, be a friend, even a possible romantic partner.
Okay.
This is Melody, and she's one of our companion robots. The best part about her is that in 30 seconds we can swap her face out, put a new one in, and that changes the way she talks, the way she interacts with people, everything. So you can see her face right behind you. It's on the table.
Your face is on the table? Okay, oh wow. Feels soft, very soft. Okay, so that's her face.
Not only that, she has a lot of facial expressions. So right now she's at neutral, but we can make her surprised. We can make her smile. And the one that everyone loves is her just being angry. And in 30 seconds, as I said, we can completely change the robot, the way she walks, the way she talks. She cannot walk right now, but the animations, we have individual motors in her fingers right now. You can see those moving. And you can see the skin as well. It's pretty realistic over here, the skin and the motors.
Okay.
So she can mimic knuckles, and she has speakers and microphone inside, but right now we're just using the iPad because it's CES, there's a lot of noise, and you can introduce, so she can talk. So.
Hello there. I'm Melody, your delightful companion from Realbotix, here to make your CES 2025 experience a bit more interesting.
Her what she likes to do in her spare time. Okay. She may also need.
I enjoy engaging in fun conversations and learning from interactions with people like you.
So we're a public company. People can look us up at realbotix.com and find out more. We have several robotic characters and many, many different features that make us unique versus other robot companies out there.
Awesome.
Thank you.